get into today's session, I would like for us to recap our previous lesson. Can anybody tell me what we looked at last night? Anyone? Yes, Sayal?
Sorry, the last topic we looked at was digestion.
Okay, digestion. Very good. Now, can anyone explain in their own words what they understand about digestion? Yes?
Digestion is the breakdown of food for energy.
God is a breakdown of food for energy. Good, the two of you are correct. Now, before I commence today's session, I would like for you to pay keen attention to this brain teaser that I'm about to read. And from reading this brain teaser, I want you to consider an answer and share your response with the class. Okay? So it says here, from plants and animals, I am derived. Without me, life can't be survived. What am I? I'm going to read it again. From plants and animals, I am derived. Without me, life can't be survived. What am I? So take some time, couple seconds, consider it carefully, and tell me what you think. Yes, Aslima, let me hear.
Sir, I think it is food.
Okay, food, close, but not exactly the answer I'm looking for. Anybody else want to make a try? Anybody else? Yes?
Sir, the answer is food nutrients.
Food nutrients. Good. Give her a round of applause. And that brings us to our lesson for today, class. Our subtopic is food nutrients. Right? And here's your objective. You should be able to identify foods that contain at least 3 out of 5 essential food nutrients, as well as define accurately in 2 lines the importance of the nutrient identified. So take about 2 minutes and get up your name, grade, topic, subtopic, and your objective. I made a mistake there, class. It's not HFL, it's integrated science. That was a mistake.
Yes, sir.
Everybody finish on board?
Yes, sir.
Good. So let's go right into it now. So food nutrients. I'm looking at this term here. Can anybody come up with a definition? What do you think it is? Anyone? Yes, we are.
So food nutrients are energy we get from the breaking down of food.
Okay, good. Food nutrients is the energy we get from breaking down. Alright, anybody else with any other different definition? Or everybody agree with Riyad here? Yes or no? You agree with what Riyad said?
Yes, sir.
Good, yes, he's correct. Food nutrients are the things that we get from the food that benefits our body on a daily basis. We need it for proper body function. And we are going to look at 5 of them. Right? We're going to talk about 5 of them. The first one is carbohydrates. Right? Carbohydrates. So carbohydrates provides our body with energy so that we can stay active during the day, active and alert during the day. And a common example of carbohydrates is oats. Any question? Yes, Anisha?
Sir, how does the body process carbohydrates to produce energy?
Okay, good question. So what happens is that, like, if you eat a carbohydrate-rich food like oats, the body extracts the nutrient, and that's how we benefit from this nutrient. Now, does that answer your question?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, good. The next food nutrient is fats. Example of food with this is cheese. Now, fats provide the body with warmth, protect the organs, and also carry vitamins throughout the body. Any question on this? Any question? Yes, Karisha?
How does the body uses fats to carry vitamins?
Okay, good question. Yes. So what happens is that the fats, right, they take the vitamins from the stomach. Remember, stomach is where digestion occurs. So they take the vitamins from there and they transport it to different body parts of who eats it. Okay? Carbohydrates, fats, and then we have proteins. And a food with protein would be egg. Egg is a good source of protein there. So egg or protein basically help the body to grow, build and repair muscles and tissues, as well as prevent diseases. Any question on proteins? Anybody with any question on proteins? Yes?
How does our body use the protein consumed from foods like that?
Okay, good question. So what happens is that the body breaks down the protein into smaller parts, chunks, and that's how it benefits from it. Good. So we look at carbohydrates, fats, proteins. The next one is calcium. And a good source of calcium would be milk. Right? They help to strengthen the bones and teeth. And finally, we have vitamins and minerals. And an example of vitamins and mineral food would be chickpeas. Right? And this helps us to see properly, and it's good for bone and skin health as well as prevent diseases, just like proteins. Any question on the food nutrients?
No, sir.
Okay. I need you to take about 2 minutes. Draw the food nutrient pyramid for me. Everybody finished?
Yes,
Okay, good. So, what we are going to do now is we will play a small interactive game entitled Nutri-Sort. Nutri-Sort. So I have 3 groups. Since there are already groups, I work with these. So this is group 1, group 2, and group 3. Right? I have pieces or slips of papers here with food items on them. Your job now is to sort these food items based on the 5 food nutrients that we looked at just now. And you'll make a small oral presentation in front of the class. Okay? So when you come up here now, you have to give like a small explanation of the food nutrients. Good?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So these are your slips. And to make things more interesting, I'll give you 3-minute time period to do that. Then I'll call on you randomly to make the presentation in front of the board. Right? Anybody have any questions concerning the rules of the game? Okay, good. This is your list that you prepared. This is how many spoons. Explain. Everybody good?
Yes, sir.
Good. Everybody ready for the presentation now?
Yes, sir.
Alright, good. Group 1, please make yourself available in front. Present your work. The rest of you, please pay attention. Alright, you will begin.
I have categorized potato, beetroot, and flour as carbohydrates because it provides energy. I have categorized pastries, avocado, pizza as fats because it provides body warmth.
Okay.
I have categorized chicken, eggs, and tofu as protein because they help to build and repair the body.
Yes.
I have categorized calcium because calcium, celery, and broccoli because it strengthens the bones.
Good. Very good. Any comments, feedbacks from the class with group 1? Anybody have any comments? Yes, Sahil?
One presentation is very informative.
Good. Very informative. I would say that it was well explained. It was detailed enough. Okay, give them a round of applause. You may have your seats. Group 2, make yourselves available at the front. Present the work. Okay.
I have categorized cakes, lard, and margarine as fats because they store energy in the body.
Go
I
on.
have categorized calcium. Calcium helps to strengthen bones and teeth. Example, kale and yogurt.
Very good. Any comments?
I have categorized cherry as vitamins and minerals because they help you grow.
Okay, any comments? Yes?
Correctly sort of foods.
Very good. Yes, you correctly sorted out the foods. Good. And I think that there was good team spirit in this group here. I see the members working together, cooperating together to get the work done. Good. So give them a round of applause. Number 6. Group 3. This was going to work. The rest of you be quiet. Go ahead.
Vitamins. We have orange. I characterize it as vitamins and minerals because it helps us with our vision.
Good.
I characterize low calcium because it helps us strengthen bones.
Okay.
I categorize protein, beef and fish because it helps repair tissues and muscles.
Okay.
I have categorized carbohydrates because they help us through everyday, to give us energy to help us through everyday work.
Everyday work. Good. That was very good. Any comment from the class? So I think that the information was very concise and to the point. I understand everything. It was clear. Give them a round of applause. Okay, class. That's the end of this game, which is short. Right? We will now line up in an orderly fashion outside because we have to be engaged now in a game, an interactive paper ball game. Okay, so line up please outside. You can leave your bags, books, pens, and so on right here. Just make 2 lines outside. No, we gotta go this way. We can't use that stairway there, right? It's against the screws using that stairway. Come, this way, this way. Maintain the lines, please. Okay, we walking along this way here. Okay, everybody here?
Yes.
Okay, so this game is a circle game. So you're gonna form a circle around me. Right? Form a circle around me. I'll be in the center. Form a circle. Spread out, spread out. You could hold your hands and see like if you're at a good distance apart from one another. Alright, everybody good? Okay, so the rules of the game is I have this paper ball here. It contains questions, and whoever I throw these questions to, they are the ones who will come to the center, plug that part, and they will throw understand the rules? Okay, so the first person I'll throw this paper to is come to the center. Read the question for the class.
The protein found in Maya's diet is very significant. Explain the ways is the importance of protein. The protein helps build and repair the body.
Okay, good. So your job now is to throw that paper to someone else I would like to answer. Okay, come in the center. Peel that one off.
The calcium found in milk plays its role.
Plays its role.
Why should all people increase their intake of factors?
Calcium. The calcium have to do.
To strengthen bones and
Good. Now give me that paper. So now throw the paper to the other student where you want to. Good. Now come to the center. Any question?
Martin enjoyed hot water toast for breakfast. It will benefit his body with the nutrients found in the dish.
What nutrient is found in that dish? What water?
Fat,
Very good. Alright class, clap for yourself, it is very good. Now you'll go back to class and you'll learn with fashion. So form back your lines and maintain your lines when you're walking, right? Okay, we are back in the class. We'll have that activity there. Okay, before you copy your homework, let's quickly review what we did. Alright. So we talked about the food nutrients. Right? We say that food nutrients are found inside of food items and they benefit the body. Right? They help our body organs and so on to function properly. And we look at 5 of them. Right? So what's the first one, class? What's the first one we look at? Carbohydrates. And what did we say about carbohydrates? Energy. Good. Carbohydrates. The next one? Fats. And what did we say about fats? Fats helps to protect organs. Good. Carbohydrates. One. And calcium? Good. Vitamins and minerals now. What do we say about these two?
Support various functions in the body such as immune
Supports various functions of the body and prevents diseases and so on, right?
Yes.
And then we look at food items that contains these food nutrients. Now, what is one food item that has carbohydrate that we look at today?
Oats.
Oats and fats. Water and protein. Fish, calcium, milk and vitamins and minerals.
Cherry.
Orange, cherry and so on. Good. So what you're going to do now for me is that you're going to copy and complete this homework. Summarize the main points of today's lesson and cut out and paste in your workbooks a food item for each food nutrient that we discussed today. So take 2 minutes and copy that.